Oh! Four, three, two, 1, 0. Here it is. You have your teams. We have 3 areas of balloons. You cannot, I repeat, you will not stand next to a balloon area and throw. You have to be away from the balloon bucket in order to throw your balloons. Hits, you feel like Isaiah, you feel like Solo, you feel like Little Mama.
Where's the other balloon area?
You feel like Lanaya, you feel like Judah. If the bucket is right here, you would not stand here and be like, yeah, 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 yeah. No, you gotta get, you can get 2. No, get 1. We gotta extend this. I blew up a bunch of them. You gotta grab 1. You're free to move all around. But you can grab 1 and go. Alright? Whoever gets hit the most, aka if you're throwing and you make more contact than the other team, you win. How are you gonna find that out? Who cares? We'll find out just who's really wet and who's still dry.
Yeah.
So, question. Great.
Oh yes. Can like your group grab 1 and then like go to your spot and then go and grab another one to go to your spot? So now you got 6 balloons up there.
1 balloon per person at a time.
Uncle, I have a question.
So, you can go grab a balloon from your spot and you're free to move around and bust up Rodney. But you gotta try to throw it first before you go back to get another one.
And do you have to get it at your spot?
We're gonna do that for now, yeah. Now, what you have? Girl, what is up?
If you want to see the balloons, how about you bring out the one so we can make a scoreboard?
No.
Nah.
This is all for fun. Alright? Now, given that it's uneven, because I was gonna participate, there's 1 free one over there that I'll be minting. So at any point in time, watch out for flying buckets. Balloon buckets. Coming from me, because I'm getting everybody. Are we allowed to hit you? You can if you want to. Just know that if you worry about me, the other team's gonna be busting you up.
Lanaya, Judah.
So,
Like I'm not trying to.
Why are you hitting me?
Oh yeah.
Don't.
How my mother throwing up.
I'm off.
I get wet.
I'm off limits.
so go to your spots.
Little fat head.
You can hide behind stuff, trampolines, etc., etc. Obstacle courses and blah blah blah.
You said it's Lanaya.
No. Come on, Lanaya. I'm on my team.
So now you're on the wrong team. Duh.
They said Lanaya.
You'd rather be on Isaiah's team. Otherwise, he'd be beaning you, him and Solomon. They wouldn't even get wet.
If you run out of your bucket, that's on you. So be efficient with your stuff.
Wait, Dad.
When you run out, you're just gonna be playing chase. Or getting chased.
Can we go to the other people's bucket?
Did you hear what I just said?
Stick in your own bucket.
Don't worry about the rain. You're gonna be wet enough. And when you're done, y'all can take showers with your little stinky tail.
I took one.
She just took one this morning.
Oh, look at them feet.
Dirty. What?
She still took one.
Judah team's ready!
Yes.
Isaiah team's ready!
Yes.
Gladiators ready!
Stop. We got it right here. We can wait. We can let us. Grab one.
You can't throw by your bucket.
I know.
Can we
Grab
go to
one,
the tree?
Lanaya.
Climb where you want.
Let's go. Follow me. No.
I have my own tail.
Come on, Lanaya.
trust
You running
them.
down. Come on over here. You ain't gonna get wet. You gotta be clear.
Dang, missed that one.
Oh, dang it.
They keep popping.
Somebody busted my neck. I got hurt. Somebody busted my neck right here. No, where's she going? Oh, God. That's how fucking hurt.
Dang, that looked like it was a whooping. Dang, Lanaya.
Watch out. Whitney's baby.
Daddy winning.
Slow down, Renee.
Don't not get beat up.
I'm playing.
You're a winner.
I can't really get nobody here.
You got eyes on you.
Hey! Eyes on you.
That weak throw.
I'm not trying to get hit. That hits hurt. Daddy hit me right here in my neck. Now I got a headache.
Daddy's hits hurt. That's all I hear. Get him, get him.
I got hit once and that was by Daddy.
Daddy hurt, bro.
Oh, Reese, goodness.
Right here.
Wait, Rodney dropped his balloon.
You did that twice already.
Daddy went to throw it. Nobody don't want to play with Daddy. Why?
I'm pretty sure I got stabbed by a nail.
Stop playing with Uncle. Goodness. Don't play with him. Yes?
This is where I bust my head in front of the window. On my scalp.
When today?
No. Yesterday. When I was in my mom's car.
Move this whole go over to the corner spot.
Riley, you over there.
Go get her, boo. Go get her. Get her. Get her. She can't throw it.
I almost got two on my head. Are you focused or are you scared? Solo scared. He ran.
Daddy, you don't want to do this?
She say, Daddy, you don't want to do this? Dang. Got him. Dang, Reese. I know that hurt.
I got hit once. Oh my gosh. I got hit once. Oh yeah. I got hit I got hit once.
You recovered yet, Naya?
Get him. Get him.
Do not sling it at her like that no more.
Yes. No, she good.
I see you right there.
Daddy, hold her.
I got 3 of them picked up.
I got 3.
Uh-huh.
Judah! I promise you, Rodney is running for his life. Lanaya is done playing with you. Your niece, the only one ain't got no sense. She keep coming for you.
Dang.
You hit Lanaya, that young hurt. You can tell. She done zipped it up. She's traumatized.
You can go to by yourself.
I be trying to catch you.
No, you beat her.
Dang. I got it. In my back.
Wait. That's good. Because I'm you cheating. You got 2.
I'm cheating. Make it 1. I got 1 now.
Stop hitting me like that. Because that hurt.
I got a cramp in my back.
That's because you beating these children.
Why you running?
Daddy, I got
I know you not finna.
You missed. No, before you even go. You completely missed, bro.
Lanaya, that was your opportunity to come out. Daddy is unzipping it to come after you. You gotta throw it with some oomph. Throw it with 2 hands and be like, boom. Yeah, throw it with 2 hands over your head and just throw it at him.
I'm getting solo.
Them kids ain't moving. They don't care.
Daddy on y'all team.
Some of that still got you. Oh, you late.
What?
It hurt.
What?
Foot.
What's wrong with your foot? Let me see. Well, fit.
Damn.
Let me see.
It's covered in dirt.
Okay. You're fine. No blood.
This blood, it started running.
Get you a shield up. Daddy beaning people.
Oh, boy.
Oh, what? Don't be screaming, bro.
Hey, start. Let's go solo.
You just done took his shield. You ain't no good.
We get on point.
That wasn't me. I promise.
And Isaiah move, hitting people with the top.
You gotta save me, Nard.
Where's
Oh, that's over here.
Daddy got you, didn't he, Solomon? I heard it.
Oh, you lucky. Yes, sir. They got shields.
They got shield.
Hey,
You got a shield.
wow.
They're teaming up against me, mama.
What?
They're teaming up against me.
Who is they?
Daddy and them 3. They got us cornered.
Dang, this looks creepy.
I don't want to get this up.
Look, she making friends. Lanaya finna bean her because Daddy beat her.
Papa, oh my God, you got so hard.
I told you throw it with 2 hands.
Come here, Stella.
Wait, I just want want to see Judah face.
That joke hurt. Oh, piece of meat. What? Piece of meat.
Whoa! No, get from by me, little girl.
Come over here.
I missed that one.
Hey, Daddy, I'm not.
Don't stand by me. You stand by me, you disqualified. I'm dunking you in the water. Get from by me, little girl. Now that you quit, Judah. Why you quit, Judah?
Oh, he's trying to trap you. Renee, my girl. Where'd she go? Not. Want a piece of meat? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, you want a piece of meat? Renee, catch it. Gotcha. Ah! Renee, throw her. You want to throw it like that. Stop. Stay attack it. Stop.
What's up, big boy?
Stop.
What's up, Jesse? Hey, you ran all the way across the street, little buster.
Who did? Oh, Judah.
Take your poison, Lanaya.
Judah tired?
You get me, you get him. Stop being scared.
She's scared. You got my baby scared. Babe, this fool got a human shield. That fool say walk with me. She say why? Oh, I'm finna use you as a shield.
Throw up. Why are you so scared?
No, that junk hurt. I can hear it. You hit Lanaya. Lanaya couldn't breathe.
Lucky for you, your reincarnation of a
Shield.
Captain America shield.
Are you serious? You man. I'm gonna shoot it. Boy!
There you go up there, boy.
You serious? Now. Why? That's gonna be hurting. Oh, yeah.
Now that's your Sparta shield. This is Sparta!
You done got me.
Oh, snap.
Now, take the shield. Take
Already
the
got one.
shield.
Already got one.
I'm not attacking you. I'm not attacking Solo. No. Get it.
Hey! That whole butt. Yes! I'm free!
What's wrong, Zay?
I got hit in the same spot.
Who hit you? Y'all got balloon on the trampoline now.
I got beat.
I did not say on the tip of his butt.
The neighbors gonna be mad. Y'all got balloons in their yard.
Hey, you cheated.
The one with the shield gonna run. Look.
Go right.
I'm choking her. See, Isaiah, I can dodge his. Solomon, I can dodge his. Linnaeus, I can dodge hers. But Daddy,
You just don't want to get hit.
like it's MLB.
You was talking about me. Hey, Daddy with that.
Oh. Daddy, are you almost out yet?
I know, right? Dang!
You just got saved.
Wait, was that for me?
Oh,
Oh! Boy, your titties almost disappeared.
That's why they are running from you. That is the exact reason.
I just beat on myself.
They are are standing in the bucket. I don't understand.
We must got the water balloons.
Yep. We are. I got the last one. Who wants the last one?
Don't talk to me. Put it in my.
Take the last one.
I'm gonna put it back in the bucket so it's safe, okay?
If they start attacking, give me that. They're gonna get some of. I'll go back to attack.
Wait, why he got an umbrella?
Attack us.
Bro, when I left my shield right there, Rodney.
No,
You have to come behind me right now. You have to come behind me right now.
Dude, I'll just do this. Dude, look.
What?
Do this. You're gonna get a taste.
Oh no, we just lost all our
You're
balloons.
gonna get a piece of
So that's one not even gonna be used for good.
She gonna miss.
They only had 3 left.
No.
Daddy has a lot left.
You ain't learned yet, white girl.
Did you just throw one at me?
I don't know.
I popped in my hand. Rodney, you don't
I'm
need
gonna
it.
shoot and bring the next balloon.
Over there.
They done.
I can bring the next balloon. You me too?
No, more baskets. We out.
I can bring you another balloon. Can we bring another balloon?
No.
She learns
They
quick.
got more baskets.
Go ahead.
We have 3 more in ours.
Y'all finna get beat up by daddy.
We out.
We got no more.
We out of ammo.
We need more ammo.
You.
Girl, you about to lose your way.
Nah, don't hide by me. Shoot, you on your own.
Bro, it's not even water no more.
I think you killed my son. I'm pretty certain you killed him. He did.
Oh!
That is so grimy. Look at your daughter. She waiting, babe.
Nuts.
Daddy hit you in the stomach.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You gotta
It's time for
Uh-oh.
I think you ain't gonna how about that?
It's all here. He did that all his own. No, so I'm cheating.
Oh, wait, y'all got a standoff?
Make a choice.
Are you peeing?
Somebody else or aim for me?
Move, Solomon.
What do
We
you
got
think?
it.
It's gonna get thrown at you either way.
Because when everybody's falling out of a
I'm gonna try to
balloon,
catch a
we
balloon.
get to attack them.
I'm gonna try to catch a balloon.
If you throw it fast enough, it's not catchable.
If I throw it, it ain't catchable.
You right.
It's blocked.
I don't even know about that.
I didn't throw you all the time. Your eyes turn red on time.
Oh, bro, I'm
Because I
sweating.
got allergies.
This not even water no more. This is sweat.
Isaiah, I didn't told his sons up. And not even a metaphorical sense, actual, literal. I didn't told his sons up.
You done tore Judah up, too.
Yeah, you hit me in my side and my neck.
Judah and Lanai look like you was trying to kill them.
It's right here.
What's not missing is really,
I think when Daddy and Judah
Hey, Rodney been running from you.
he take his balloon, he just throw it up in the air and run like that's what the...
Oh, yeah, I'm quicker than y'all think.
Isaiah just stepped in the bucket and you see what it gets you.
They all done stepped in the bucket.
What it turned black?
I'm going cheating because he got more than us. That's why he's still attacking us.
Don't do it, Rodney.
I should have got up here.
White girl in the movies that like to go up the stairs where there's no way out. What do you think you're gonna do, Rodney? What are you gonna do?
Do this. Oh, this thing coming back. This thing coming back.
Daddy gonna tear your fingers up. Hey. Dang. Oh, dang, Daddy got a...
Thank you.
Dang.
I'm cheating.
And he spit...
You miss, sucker!
It tastes like my
It tastes like balloon.
Not throw it. I want you. I want you.
Throw it hard, Naya.
Everyone else is doing it.
Throw it to it.
Throw that, Daddy. It tastes like balloon. Throw it at me. Throw it at me. I'm with you.
Oh yeah, and throw it hard too. Throw it hard.
Throw it at who you want to throw it at, Lanaya.
You and me.
She mad at you.
I ain't mad at you.
Not you.
Mad at you.
She mad at Daddy.
I know what you're doing.
I told you. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm good.
That you have the last balloon.
I wish you would.
Yes.
I wish you would. Please die today.
Hold on, Solomon.
You know how many times I'm gonna slap this in the head this morning for no reason?
You know how many?
Go ahead.
You know how many times I'm gonna die? Don't.
Go ahead.
Get me.
Who said I was gonna do it?
I'm the only one who's
I'm
young.
not gonna do it.
You're the only one who's young.
Yeah.
Which means if you die, you ain't had no future yet, so we can go and make another one and be alright, huh?
You got some more balloons?
That's all she want to know.
Yeah, on the ground.
Daniel! Get rid!
You was so focused.
You missed! You suck!
Dirty it up! Suckers!
You can dirty it up all you want.
Trying to.
Wait, no, his is in the car. He ain't messing with it. My mouth was in the Yes!
Remember in 2012 when Bryce's brother got hit in the nuts with the water bottle? There you go. Hey, you caught some.
What on me?
You hit something.
All right.
When Bryce got hit in the balls with a water bottle?
No, we're not doing dirt.
No.
Throw me in the face. She just hit me in the face with a dirt ball.
Okay, that's
we're not
fine.
doing dirt.
Daddy got it. Daddy'll catch it.
Time's up. That's what it goes wrong with. No. You're going to bring your tail.
Bring that bucket in that top.
Alright,
Should have hit this
So,
bucket.
understand.
Adrenaline level down, pain level
So-
high.
So, which team you think won?
Me?
Daddy's team.
Oh yeah.
Who won, Naya?
I don't even think none of that is water. All that is sweat.
I got hit like 3 or 4 times.
Are you talking about on Daddy?
Yes, all that is sweat.
Like,
Shirt got wet.
she came out here
If
wet.
y'all break the bucket, we can't fill it up with water balloons in the future. So, well, did you enjoy your time?
Yes.
Now, you want to know what's going to determine a round 2?
Yeah.
Cleaning up all these things.
You got it. If I see a bunch of water balloons on the ground, I will not do it again.
Right.
I did not spend all my time blowing them up for y'all to leave a mess and think that it's cool.
And I know the neighbors over there, they ain't gonna be happy.
You know.
I know, cause the husband crazy.
Mama's a little crazy.
The mom's crazy too?
Yes. Extremely. That's a face of craziness.
Got that Charlemagne donkey today crazy, huh? No, where's the Bronx and all of Florida, and she's from the Bronx and all of Florida. Ooh, boy. All right, let's move. Congratulations.
Bum,
We'll be able to watch this in a
bum,
little bit.
bum, bum.
Dirt I got on my face.
Everybody.
Like about. Boop, boop,
But right now,
Isaiah mad cause she hit him with dirt, babe.
boop, 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 boop.
you all right? Fix your face. Oh, the black bucket. You can cut that off because you ain't recording that.
What do y'all say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And happy birthday, Solomon.
Y'all wanna know why Mama said that so long? She forgot whose birthday it was.
You a lie.